That's okay. Oh, what are you doing, Moose? Oh, you're going to the bathroom? All right, we don't need to film that. All right, come here, buddy. Good boy. Yeah, see, we got some energy. Up on the box, there we go. You're feeling good, huh? Look how much better he's doing. Oh, no jumping. No jumping. Up on the box. Good boy. Now sit. What are you gonna do? You say hi to everybody? Much better. You goofy boy. Yeah. Yeah. Look at that tongue hanging out. You're a happy boy, aren't you? Still holding that one paw up a little bit. Not 100%, but damn, we're doing better. This is the paw that hurts, but he doesn't. It's not too bad, right, Moose? It's getting a lot better day by day. Could be our service. I think I'm in the range of our Wi-Fi, so it might not be me. You're a good boy. Look at that. Chilling on the box. Thanks for the thumbs up. We got another like, Moose. You say hi to everybody? You're a happy boy. You happy your paw's feeling better? Pretty soon we'll be able to hang out with Raven again. Do zoomies together. I think our scooter might get here tomorrow. I checked the shipping and it's close. It's in Massachusetts right now, one state away. I might have to put it together. I don't know how many pieces it comes in, but I'll get Raven out on the road first because she's uninjured. Then pretty soon Moose will be out there too. We're gonna go scooting, Moose. You say hi? Yeah, they're awesome dogs. You guys are good puppies. Say hi. Yeah, look at those eyes. You lick my hand? Good boy. Me neither. I'm excited. It's gonna be fun.